Hey, folks! Welcome back to my channel, everyone! Today, I have a super important topic to discuss with you, especially for those who are just starting in the world of investments. So, grab your pen and paper because we're going to talk about the best investments for beginners. To start, an option that everyone should consider is the savings account. It's simple, it's safe, and it's a great way to begin building your financial wealth. But wait, folks, there's more. Have you heard of certificates of deposit, CDs? They're like your money doing push-ups in the gym, getting stronger every day, with better interest rates. Oh, but don't stop there. Index funds also deserve your attention. They're like the dream team for investors, offering instant diversification and low management fees. It's a smart move. And if you prefer leaving the work to the professionals, mutual funds can be your perfect match. Experienced managers taking care of your money for you. But wait, there's more. Have you heard of robo-advisors? They're like having a personal financial assistant 24/7, automating your investments. But, folks, don't forget the excitement of individual stocks. That's where you can find the real gems of the market. But remember to do your homework before taking the plunge. And last, but certainly not least, the most important investment is investing in education. Constant learning is the key to financial success. Invest in yourself, folks. So, there you have it, folks. These are some of the best investment options for beginners. Always remember that all investments come with risks, so do your research and diversify. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned and invest wisely.